We just left our host Gary's house up in Mundaring. He had us for the week. It was a lovely time. Mundaring is this beautiful town in the bush north of Perth, about 25 miles north. And we're heading back down south. We're following the Munda Biddi trail to a place called Kasarina. And we haven't gone very far today. We're about like maybe an hour into the Munda Biddi trail. But we decided to stop at the Mundaring Weir, which is this dam you can see behind me. And it's really beautiful. It's a beautiful day too. It's just a stunning place to be right now. And so this whole area that we're in, this is gold country. When Australia had their gold boom, their version of the gold rush, this area was just filled with people. And I believe that this weir was built, or at least dammed up, to provide water to all the prospectors. And actually the Munda Biddi Trail runs parallel to what was at one time the world's longest freshwater pipeline. At the time it was created, it was a real feat of construction. So we're gonna head off, and hopefully we get to our campsite. We're going to a campsite called Quirky, and hopefully we get there before nightfall. All right. So we did the first part of the Munda Biddi trail yesterday, and it was hell on earth. It was so difficult. Most of the trail was something called pea gravel, so we couldn't even really cycle, so we had to walk our bikes, and we finally made it to Quirky Camp, which was our destination. We made it about 6:30, and this is it behind me, as you can see. We had the whole place to ourselves, which was nice. Now, unfortunately, our plan was to get up early and get out and get to our second camp early today, but unfortunately, it's pouring rain. We woke up to that, and we were hoping that it would die off, but no such luck, so we're gonna have to cycle in this today. All right, wish us luck.
Okay, so we made it to Wollongong campsite. Decided to take a bit of a shortcut today because yesterday was such a slog. I kind of cheated a little bit. But we made it here about 3 o'clock. It's just starting to get dark now, about 4:30. And tomorrow we're on to our next Helpex. Wollongong campsite. We nearly froze to death, but other than that, you were more than hospitable.